Adom 106.3 FM. Ebra so say ye o man ho adwuma. Mene wo asede ejanom eye wo mo de wo mo ekọ adu mene wo so se beye bi atoa so. De metumi aye ene se metwe wadwen akoniema ahodo bi a ekoso a enye ho. Na ama wo man Ghana yembuafu systems ne niema ahodo bi a ekoso. In fact, it's my duty to positively provoke you this morning. If it's a do baby, or my Ghana, the things that are supposed to angry us don't angry us. Nyama sasa ma yembufu. Things that are supposed to make us angry, baby. The best restaurant near Fahon sa near the Yamanyosem, near the Sotia ABC Musa. And I pay my again. You can decide to say whatever. But woman ye yonti mekama dwen. Fama also me debrewi Israel loans. O pebosia ne ehun afutuo ne wadwuma betum pon abra ya ka kine yemo a. DBS roofing sheets. Edan so bo ene ho nsem nyina fa bedan yen. Unchun capsules. E fa prostate no nya unchun capsules na aboa ama hawe wo mu bia no ayi afri mu. And a Franco Training Enterprise. Open phone papa, television papa World Cup. Nyina bra na yemwa. Vitamilk anomni ebeboa amwanya plant protein papa. O skin no aye fe na weni agene no. And na wo pe chocolate any malt feel ya kan bomu a. Wo hia high five chocolate. Na wanom na no pe ya manije aba. Wo mada roma ye be hyasie na ye di nkomo. Woman Ghana said me kan niema sese ma yembufu na ya yembu mfu wo ho. Ni afa na agro ni ye pia to nchen ni ye pia to nchen saa. Ha adwen ye nyina ye di ho adanse se ha adwen sesei wonam Ghana ha de be mu ye hunu se we ye Ghana ni ananse we ye Ghana ni no eden. Wogitum ane menso megitum ane. Wudu Ghana ya hye so kra de a enwanwa. Ivory Coast ne Ghana for ye tuabom. Wudu Ghana ya hye so Togo ye tuabom. Yenuanom alatafo abetena ha awoma ebi abetena ha ache wakatwi na akrogen yebeda hunu se we ye Ghana ni ananse we enye Ghana ni ehun hia se ebe hunu ye ndodo ne ye hunu ye planning ne ye hunu niema esese ye yo ye hunu de ye yo ene de ba bia yetumi adu but ha adwen in fact me obi a manage pa abra te se ye de national identification system ebo my Ghana mu. In fact, maka se aban force no implementing ya monaba so. If you say eye key. Obi a wo badwen se wo betumi identify wo nkrofo twero no mu kura ho. Ebere bi so ye Yesu awo mu ye se obi anko ne kura ye wo no mu ne enko kan no. Population census hu hia. Ye kan nipa hunu nipa dodo a ne ye hunu niema ye de boa se nipa e wo ho no. Aposifo abo ho ban no eye pepepe. Eso ananse enso. Ye mfa bi nka ho. Abro so a teacher for the send us said omoko ehun hia pa population census ehia nanso nipa ba ne ye kan wo mo ye Ghana fo na so mo ye Ghana fo ye hia se yehu efi se amanya hodo no wontumi nkwane nam so saa kwa bra obi anya wo hwe ne ehunu se wo ye free krom ho na se wo free ho wo wura Ghana ha na wo ye tuntum anu anu no wafra de hia ne so betumi aka ye krom kasa mu ba kwa na mienu wawie wo ye Ghana ni na enkopem brebe ni be hunu se betumi ada Ghana fo nso hunu se Ghana fo ni we free kro we so we free ha efi se sikafia no e de health insurance no sa wo ye Ghana ni a na ese wunya so mfaso utu kwa mama ya hodo bi so a won free sa wo manu e be hwa wo de nanso no akwanya bi a nipa ate won sika de atu yato enya no wontumi enya bi enti e ma won sika no so wo mo yen de no de hia ne se wo be wuram obi nya health card bia wokwa health insurance free so e Ghana ni so ye Ghana ni de hia ni so betuna nya card ni bi de ne de dan so am ye hunu se e Ghana for national identification e sha se ye bo ho dawura ne atu ahye nyina ne kikan bi cha Dr. Mamudu Bawumia se ya bra ne bo hye no efi se bo hye ye hye date no a ene na akoye ochina ye kan ya nyame ncha de abeduru ho am ya sha se ye rolling in stages. Ewo wa ni akoma mpani atena ni akwakoye ya yitum ade bia ni wa ye frenchim wo ye kono be hunu mfomso na wo sesa na wo hye ne ma abrofo di a ye papa ni nyina wo mo hye ase na e bola saa enu momiamia ne kakra eni nti abofra kwa ne hye ase a One fiti preko pen nante nkakran wa hyase anante. National Identification Authority won betuna yo adwuma wo hia emra ebebo mo achi amu betuna ye adwuma yi into oman Ghana ye mra hwedwafo mo na mo hwe ye mra tu ho na mo nyina agitum ena mo hyase bobo ho a ye bobo ho age ho mra nyina tum aye ho adwuma nyina wie am ye hyase aye registration ye hwe certain number ebe de no manfo atumi anya uhia se wo de digital address system beka ho ofie sa digital address wo mu enim na education na ekosen na wo mu atumi aye na mpo obi ekwa so wonu ankasa nim phone mu a obi o phone atumi anya fie ho address no e de ama na egu paper bi so okwa a wo de ama na kese bibia akose de ese eko ye nya no ye nkwati a yese minority in parliament say registration wo mu nye minority say wo mu constituency amoto abadema wo mu amugi wo mu di no monso mamun register evise wo mu hunu ne se nyima bi nkoyie kase pe wo mu ha wo mu ne se obi okura voters ID card entumi emfa ne voters ID card no en registrant no wo mu ateatua. Seriously, are we serious as a nation? So wo my Ghana members of parliament minority baby edu baby wo me ento politics no ento nchen kakra megitum sa abrofo no de politics na hayen ama ye mu achecha wo man Ghana say ye nwi ye ni adwen as a nation ye adwen ye NDC anase NPP. Why? National identification enye minority mo se ye yakwatena se akwahwehwem yagye atom se weni yemfanya adwuma mo sori ya feri ye mpene mane nkoso ye register mo register emfa ye ho your constituents say you register yen yesi mu anamu enti mo nso ma mu register o man adan why asemi hu yetu wan na mo akọ parliament say yo ade bia e bekoso o man Ghana mu ahia mra bia no se o man Ghana mra hwedwafo e na dwendwen ho bobo ho etintim nkrata agitum dia na siye abra na bobo die no koso abra na ye fa ho adwen atroatro adwen na dia na koso ye koyo kohwe ya na minority why? No, edu baby a MPP opposition ase ade bi wo to se ko ye pa na o ma sori agina ye mpene ne nyina ya kasa o da bi we dia enfa ne kwan so. NDC mosmoko the same thing one shall say. National identification, you have no justification. So voters ID card in mo say there be yes, mama other reasons, but the key one only be Bernardine Koma. Me constituency. So I said the voters ID card ya. Me ko fo nyina ahwa yen register ba kokra. Yes. So one qualify. Na ninti ensa so wo register, one register. Wo betra Ghana ni. There are other forms. In fact, the crime wa hai. A debate course on the floor of parliament on the 17th of November 2017. And san ye gisa mrei atum. Agi atum se registration be course no. The course ni. Mamimra eye pages no ebi. In fact, I am so disappointed in some of the MPs. Edu baby, I wonder say ye kwa masalachi anase ye kwa sorry. Into politics into ya tun no kra atwene. Why are we doing this to our nation? Say politics inti members of parliament I mean nim wo mo pass wo mo kwa sorry pa say wo mo atro mo no kra atwene. Members of parliament I mean nim so mo komox pa masalachi fie dai be kwa kobom pa ye ato no kra atwene ene edu o man Ghana abroad ya politics bibia ya manyasem wo man Ghana mu and then ye o man sir. Let me read some of the portions. Inusa Fuseni NDC member of parliament Tamale Central Saturday now parliament. In fact we receive very interesting points. Very interesting points. I would say asem no ehia say when you ajekra say committee no aye say yenhwe na under a certificate of agency yenhwe na yemma sakadi enye adwuma. Or say as I joked in the meeting oka committee no kwa asetna no didi agro kra. Was it they are trying to make it impossible for anybody to hide in this country or outside the country. So when the information is captured, we will truly, anytime that the person be looked at, you made these very interesting points. Sabreno ne wom. So without voters ID card, won't me register. In fact, Sabili Abraham Penny for committee no kwatena no. Woman na not even one, not even a single soul in the committee. and wo pagya ne saka se enye kwanya ye fa so de a kire se we ye Ghana ni na se we nye Ghana ni no enye not even one. Yes, mbetumi aka on radio, mbetumi aka no he. But according to the documents, hands at the parliament does not suggest sir committee report enchre sir munyina mugitum. Emma in fact there were some portions sir na MPs ni bi kra enchre se wo mani age se niema akosa na akire so man Ghana ye tu anamo se wo man abom. Elembele MP Honorable Emmanuel Amakofibua na wo hobby. Maybe say better said the enzema amokano no boko de if is a medwen ho amentiase se wankasa wagiatum in fact was say wono ankasa atna se adwendwen ho wono no ne kuro no Cote d'Ivoire fo e wo fa enti ebi mo kroso eba na se do mo kroso ba no edu ba bia na ama e ha adwen was say I have seen some of them hold our own national health insurance card and we always talk about how high the cost of insurance is wankasa e how say ye hunu say we ye Ghana ni and say we nya Ghana ni ema mu nyina mu gitum say this is what is supposed to happen ye card ni nya adwuma na ansa na be ye adwuma no we ni na ese koso committee num Ahmed Ibrahim me member of parliament NDC and now Bana constituency honorable boko de mu gbangma che say ohun ye de akoso yi wadwen ho say eye papa na mo tu na mo se mo mpene ma registration nkoso just to frustrate the system. Why? One kasa in fact okasa pa wo hwe hands na I think you were one of the people wo kasa chair pa edu ba bi na mo de bia ya serie edu ba bi o se apostrophe bi na say persons no say ye person apostrophe ansa na esa ba no man fa apostrophe na ma ni nyina wo kire ye e ma correction as wo mo ye nyina wo mo ye na sama wan kasa wo kan ye me kan am wetie. Was it therefore this house and the committee have set a good example by coming together to unanimously pass this bill under a certificate of agency? I plead with Ghanaians living everywhere to support this exercise. So why? Why do we turn all of a sudden to make it look as if just Ghana Adai or Mr. Speaker, we have been doing it back and forth. I believe the example that is being set today, if we continue with this unanimity and consensus building and agree that this is something very important that we must come together to do, we can do it. Mr. Speaker, I must caution that the moment we bring partisanship into it, we are bound to fail. So why then do we all of a sudden turn as if all this brofu yanka Parliament committee mujitum in fact plenary hall no. Yes, you made interesting points. Ebi rezi say enti abani say nipa ni voter ID card de be den asio ye be opinion leader ananse be pe ohine wo krom ho ana ye be obi obedi adanse busu ni obe kire say ampa oye Ghana ni munyina mujitum wey wo ho. All this are captured in the Hansard, and then all of a sudden you are turning as a BBI member of parliament James K. Aveji, Eja Kluche, Ketu North, and now you're member of parliament. Honorable F1. Oh, yeah, Bibia, ya boko, I said yes, echo. I then you do my Ghana brosa. In fact, what kind and someone what kind, yeah. Very nice points. I would check Shemu, said, yeah, you bet me, I yanwa, Yamfa Haubiama, Emma Munina, our parliament, Ejitumu. I fed ye, ye, never, yeah. Mo sorry say enya dia mo bepene mo mpene na mpene ochina e ma ne nkoso because you say voters ID card obi eninti no ye disenfranchise no ye ma ne kwan ma ne register but mon kan ye in fact I would do baby a na members of parliament ni bi kire say se ka se nipa ba ko en megina mu ni adanse a enye sa na committee ne kan say nipa mienu womu ye committee members unit committee in fact assemblyman create media dance yema emye register but communication na kwa say we need voters ID card won't mean register me wanya sa nete and up till now ye di machines abegu parliament oman for register MPC register staff ye adwuma parliament obi register minority force ye register and ye di partisanship politics are emwo man kwananim e dey say wo man Ghana enti bibia na say the politics come this is a very laudable idea. Said the Ahmed Ibrahim, one kasa kan no. Ehia se o my gan, say bia de make kan movie say me boa. Ma me mo an kasa mo ni bi. In fact, na me boa mo pa. And some of them on the floor. Abra said debate ikoso. Ni ehwe say mudi o my gan abro say ya. We can.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for the opportunity to support the report of the Labour and Parliamentary Affairs Committee. Mr. Speaker, this amendment on this bill is very long overdue and it's very, very critical for our country. The issue of who is a Ghanaian is very critical in this century, especially, Mr. Speaker, because of the challenges we face. Mr. Speaker, I've always said that I come from the border with Cote d'Ivoire, and on a daily basis, we know how many foreign people are coming to Ghana, and some of them I've seen holding our own national insurance card. And we always talk about how the cost of insurance is happening. The issue is that there isn't too much that can be done because we've not really gone to the bottom of who the Ghanaian is. I think that if you look at the effort being made here in terms of the identity, it is indeed going to get to the bottom of it. Mr. Speaker, it is also going to address the issue of identity theft, which has become a major problem in these times, especially with public officials. Mr. Speaker, I don't know how many times I had not gone to the security authorities about people who were basically using my identity to do a lot of fraudulent activities.
And see, Jacob, what can Sabro na our parliament? A chair so man for crowd within a dibone, one way Ghana for one way Ghana for there is time to have identity. You be who say Winnie, I will be to me for will be the enya bone. Yes, or my Ghana, I do level be a nipa be voters ID card ya de trouble ya. Ebiati woman fie so I register because ne maame wa manone was sending sika wonya de bia mfa nko enkonkoye form of identification enti ne ya register no wa join queue ni bi akọ register nya card no say be obetumi de akọ bank de akọ di adanse ye woni pa bia card kro ya wa register ebi nso ho a sa wo hwe a woni 18 years a wontumi register voters ID card if you say the twaba no man dem ra che say wodi 18 kwa na otumi twaba ebi nso reason or dey per card no enti wo mu egu ase ho no ye yi wo mu afrim ye disenfranchise wo mu yes enti sa wonni birth certificate na wonni passport ana forms of identification ya boy set dem tree ene ye se ye dey ye de etoso eye se ubema opinion leader na se ubusuani wo papa wo maame a wo mo ye Ghana fo be dia dance se wo ye Ghana ni fi se wonni saa ne ma bi se ni nyina wonni bia krom ho hene kura tumi dia dance ma wo. In fact, assemblyman etumi dia dance ma wo e ma register as a Ghanaian. So where is the problem? Monchen, where is the problem? Where is the problem? So wutie me anope ya. Problem no he. And a Ghana be bia near their politics. Be bia their politics. Just say Mamimra Ahmed Ibrahim so. Okasa fine. Ahmed, Udin Ahmed Ibrahim and Kremudin, but meaning so yes, stand Christian. People cannot do this to our nation.
Thank you much, Mr. Speaker, for the opportunity. Mr. Speaker, I rise to support the motion, and in doing so, I will make just some few comments. Mr. Speaker, to begin with, I must commend your committee for coming unanimously that the bill must be passed under certificate of agency. Mr. Speaker, if there's something as a country that Ghanaians will come together and support, I believe this motion or this bill is one of them. Mr. Speaker, from the day of the birth of Jesus Christ, registration and census were being done. And therefore, it is very pathetic that as a country, we don't have or we don't know who and who is a Ghanaian. Mr. Speaker, this question is one of the very important questions that was raised in the University of Ghana when you were the head of department at the political science department. And the question is, who is a Ghanaian? Mr. Speaker, if you don't register Ghanaians, and have our citizenship ID card and know who is a Ghanaian, who is not a Ghanaian, sometimes taking national development decision becomes a problem. And therefore, this House, the committee having set a good example by coming together that we should unanimously come together and pass this bill under certificate of urgency. I plead upon every Ghanaian living everywhere to support this exercise. If the Electoral Commission can register Ghanaian during election time and do it, the National Identification Authority must also be able to come together and be able to register every Ghanaian for once and within a very short time. Just because we've been doing it back and forth, I believe that the example that is being set today, if we continue with this unanimity, if we continue with this consensus building, if we agree that this is something very important that we must come together and do, we can do it. Mr. Speaker, and I must put this word of caution, that the moment we bring partisanship into it, we will bound to fail. But if we emulate this example of this committee by making sure that it is a national exercise and every Ghanaian is entitled to it, those who are going to be at the helm of affairs, those agencies, those personnel who are going to be doing the registration exercise, they must take it religiously as a national exercise and not an exercise for any partisan political interest. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, for the opportunity.
Thank you very much.
Ahmed, so what happened? Again, necessary. And as I say, oh my Ghana, we cannot think as individuals. Obi senti yenina ya sorry di echi. Obi ntumi nka say there be party dia mo ye no me ne mo nya adwen e wo ho. And this one I will not agree. If you say be boa wo man ni nyina. Party leadership try say come back ye no bomu a. Mo amoko debate ya mo je tu mu. Committee ya mo je tu mu. The whole house a mo je tu mu. Then all of a sudden obiya kwate asa nyo mo na kwadwendwen ho je tu mu say Ghana e buy your voters ID card no kra problem wo ho. Yes, other forms na dey registration and as dey forms of way no birth certificate passport and also problem betumi a ho, but then ya gitum say no form kakra enti se when ya giatum say dey ye na enye se obi na pia ko hye ba bia ene de yentumi nyintum efise ye party adwen ye yen say ne beko ene de bo man na bro ye kase ye hia to a de bebo man Ghana ho bra. And the best way to do that is identification. Ya kan da bia say police for ho hia so obegina car anim no ahuri agina ho huri kosoro ba say Captain Planet stop car because car na across a red light. Elsewhere, atwam and for bia ho because you can be traced. You betumi identify. Police need gas agina no anyina. Wo fa car number, wo kiwa, nipa wo twi car no car owner yenim ba bia wote wontumi nyira. Wey ya ne such say ye wo wenenge ni ya register. And so everybody will be identified. Untua to a ye behu ni age to say 1 cedi kura na Ghana ni bia tua, we can have that match near to me the Abomai Ghana. Very beautiful idea. Eka $27 million and amu approve the akotomo car. Oh, campus yeah. Mobile kind of bomb says see approve. But near me babo my Ghana. As ye na ye sum near the party. Ya the party. Adia koso sa. Ama mu bi wo hedu ba bia na ya dwen yen se democracy no si entia se dia yen twam ho nhia ma yen. Efi so obi adwen kwa ba fa so obedi nkunim. Onwe o man Ghana ho. Obi ya ade a okay. Dia na me ya metumi awe next elections. Hey, the nkofo yi eya papa na ekoyi a wo metumi atoto niema we ntia na yen sign no se be ya wo muntumi wen ne be win the next elections. Na MPP for the NDC, na NDC the MPP, and yet ye ABC mu kopem ne adan ye sinsuo kwan so ase bubu ye ntumi mubu because ububu a obi be kan kire say nkofo obeto atia yen enti enya na nsisi ho ne ye wu ne ye te o man Ghana ne ye politicians why edu ba bia ye be ka nokre na kire mo de mo ye no esenke tumu sen wa sorry no these things edu ba bia debate ne kwose ya so for no momfra mo members na mo kan kire mo say da bi ye dwen wo man no ho until we get this radical change Ye Jama politicians are. They only think of winning elections. And one no more drain. On you say Bebuana Semwa. Or Jane said, or ya who did no huri waha, Obenya points, and one no. No, this one minority in parliament. I disagree with you. I disagree with you. I disagree with you. The Hansard is saying, and it's not like yes, Mogil, I dare be free baby the Beshemu. The American wants some raise your objection singing. You were in the house. Mudi Betty, ye. Am even person, persons, Moka ye correct ye. Opinion leaders are also mutumi jinemu guarantee me a register nipa. Mudi Betty ho, send nipa mienu, announce nipa bako. Yes, yo, assembly members near Trabama Womo, and into they are people are. You bet me, I can say, woman representing, so be dear dance ye, near who some penny planet her. Young man, one register. Yen na ya to Sane Beko. Then you make it look as if only voters ID card won't mean register. Because of that, yen register, ye chromo for more beyond register, and yes, system no, and one my gun yet ABC Musa. Na brebi ba. A brebeson. In fact, Ghana for any betty. Ye be hunu, Sanya men say ya na moye. Mompaye nyina ne se mo ba wi ni elections. Na mo nwe wo man ho. Na eduru ho a ye betu ye ho fo. Fabɛwɔso anɔpa yi. Ye meka no no. Oni me ya adwen afan, oni me nya adwen afan. But the documents and the voices and all that I have does not support what the minority is doing. No. No. Mammy phone lines, no. Niamfa calls kakra. The politicians they do baby udi wo mochia. One ya obeka de yenka. 0302216561 and 0302216562. 0302216561 and 0302216562. When him say alone now kwakwaje ya nansi hono so bebre no. If you say do baby a ya hwe nipa no ayehu no. Enti risk ya de ka honko ano e ma alone no kosro. See etumi nya proper form of identification ye nim se betumi ehu wo ha. Ofa ha onsa no wom. Untumi nsesa untumi nyira ne ye mane ye stronger. Nyema nyina beba form. Ubetumi awoke to enne baby a ton car no akotu car sempese metwi car no metua ne kakra ye de be mawo because untumi nwane ye betumi identify untumi nsesa wo identity ne ye sa de ye bebo o man no a then we trivialize it to politics. Emfa callers no ebi na good morning.
Good morning.
Mini awudi ni bia ofrefi enti o
Me pa chame de same ofrefi so ho
same kasa.
Yeah, I'm paying for na I need a helm. Mutimi betna o man de beya mo beye beboa o man ye na eti o man mu no o mo ndwen ho o mo botom ene o mo busua enko no ye o mo dwen ho. Ka Ghana card ya aban de be. Ade betima boy police for betima use even just security forces ning na betima use. Aban jumenjumem na nti say your card ba ko betima boy ama Ghanaians na etimi hu say see yen Ghanaians your card ni a di nti na opposition for reject sa card. The pastor the mami and do hana.
Mini ameda CP mami mfa me next caller. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mini awudi ni Nyame Adom wodi ni bia ofrefi enti o.
Pacha femi onabo mikaza pacha wa kushata.
Onabo kasa.
Pacha abo pa mo musanya mo onye pro na omo mu fe amara ni ba adenu di. Odo
That's mama fa next caller na fe yenti o. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mini awudi ni bia ofrefi enti o.
Pacho, from me kente, me kete fresh so.
Kente kasa.
Masa kofi, nya say be yem telephone omuni mo. Omuni na abro na adwinfi na yen why? Me da se.
Me da se pi. Emfa next caller. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes sir. We didn't be our free.
Yeah, we chief weather. Obini ba ko amaka wa we.
A brief people so many akasa yin.
Opani aiko.
Yeah
a brief so chia wa no pai why?
Meje wo mo so.
O boy juma.
Yeah, that's it.
Ankom person nkumi nyo. Well, ye dear kake, just say, Obako Foko to Kumunti. Just Anquama way, dear, oh, and your way quiet, dear, and your way ever did in. And Nuntio, a bro. Now that's all your way, no castle yafa wedding. That's in our boon. Must have been to us why.
Medasipi, Yamfa, next caller, na Yanin Koma. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Agofia, Eja Mache.
Midi, Richie. Your friend Richie.
Richie.
Both NDC and NPP, they are all deceiving the public because they only think of themselves. And if we have to sit down and look at these two parties have to get up from the way so that there should be a proper party that can lead this country. Because both of them, they are all useless. That's why Kennedy Japo always talk about them.
Thank you very much. And for next caller, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Many are dini biya free and you.
Good morning. The friend is free order.
Many are kasa.
The friend is free order. Penny for na me who the how I deal betting a year a bit more man almost a year. And so NDC for more parliament most support here after the most speaking against. Ye penny for Yambo Mudian and Comina.
Yemfa yen last but one caller. Good morning. Okay, my Yemfa last caller. Now for Yemfa course in area. Okay, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Many are dini biya free.
Midiane Kanazat and Casa Francis.
Many are kasa.
Betting business MP4 no. And yet, voters ID card na near the 2 bar answer now or mobile power na. I didn't know one person you didn't know be register.
Medasipi. This issue came up. Parliament, womunina ejitu say yen yusu. I won't want to go into the reasons. Both parties nina ejitu say yen yusu. And say afe na abase yaja to say yen yusu. Committee level, womuji the two niema yebetumi de identify wo ama wetumi a register. Omoba ye parliament members ni na yebe read the report no womo ye amendments na de womo nyina na obi anim se niema tui se wonni sa niema tui a eso obi di adanse ma wo no ye seti ni pon betumi di adanse no enti no as to say betumi aye adwuma se ntumi nya adwuma. This was the agreement. Reason say mo yi free mo wo mu debate ya mo nyina je to mu say me emfa nka ho